first step to being productive. On any given day, you ought to be aware of what you're doing, when you're doing it, and for how long. Without a schedule, you run the risk of skipping crucial duties. Early in the morning or the night before, make a thorough strategy for the following day. To help you stay organized and know what to focus on next, list everything you need to do. As a result, there is no room for speculation and you are less likely to become sidetracked or waste time wondering what to do next.